Hi Aries, happy Valentine's Day. As promised, here's your Valentine's special. And today, Aries, we will not be doing an angel blessing card because I've already pulled one out for you from my angels and me to you. Happy Valentine's Day, the beautiful card of love for all of you out there. So today, Aries, what we're going to be doing, we'll just take a small little spread to see how the person connected to you really feels about you. Whether you guys are together, whether you guys are apart, I don't know. But so even if you're together, sometimes people have a little bit of difficulty in expressing themselves. So what's really going on in their heart space when what they feel for you, what they want to say to you, what are they really thinking now about this connection? So that's what we're going to be tapping in. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, bless this reading for my Aries gang and send them the messages from their partner today. Thank you. So Aries, let's begin. Let's take just 3 cards here and see what's really going on with them about you. So 1, 2, and 3. At bottom of my spread, I have the hangman in reverse. So is there been some stuck energy between the two of you, Aries? This person really wants to get out of that now with you, that's for sure. Maybe they've gotten some enlightenment about this connection. Let's see what that is. 8 of Cups, 3 of Swords, and the 4 of Cups. Aries, they are very disappointed, they're very regretful, they're sitting bored, lonely. No, they're not with anyone else either. Since I think one person has walked away from this connection, experiencing a lot of heartbreak here. So either they walked away from you or you walked away from them. Right now, this person is suffering a lot of heartbreak, immense amount of pain, feeling rejected, dejected, bored. None of the other offers are good enough on Valentine's Day for them. Maybe they had a lot of options, or maybe they still do, but they are sitting here not accepting anyone, saying, hey, the one who walked away is the one that I want. Let's take some clarifiers for these. 8 of Cups, Spirit. 8 of Cups. They have had that epiphany. They have had that epiphany moment, Aries. Look at this yellow light around this person's head is saying, oh my God, I know who my shining star is. All these other options are useless. I know that there was only one option for me, and that's the one that's walked away from my life. 3 of Swords, Spirit. 3 of Swords for their person. Sleepless nights, overthinking, having nightmares, stressed out at being released from a connection. Now they want to take action once again. I think they are wanting to fight for you one more time, Aries, after they've been released from this connection, or they released the connection, I don't know, but they definitely want to end this fight now. They want you to open up again with them, not keep yourself protected and guarded all the time. This person is absolutely heartbroken and is stressing out big time. Big time. I don't know what you've done to them, Aries, but here they are sitting in their sorrow and regret and feeling dejected and not wanting any other cup except that one cup which has left their life now. 4 of Cups, Spirit. 4 of Cups. They want to come on Valentine's Day, Aries, and offer you love, an apology, something, but they're not sure what to say now to you. They don't know how to bring this apology, how to begin a conversation with you, how to apologize to you. So all they're doing is sitting here and feeling rather sad. One more cup, I'm saying. Card, Spirit, for 4 of Cups. They know who they want. They want their soulmate back. They want this soulmate connection back with you. They see you as their one, the spouse, the nurturing, kind, loving, independent. You can not just look after yourself, Aries, but also people around you. You're that one person who they feel is the one who they want for the rest of their life. They have now had that epiphany moment where they've realized that you are a soulmate. You are the one that was sent from the heavens for you. And yes, now they are by themselves, it seems. Let's take one more card for this Hanged Man. What's this Epiphany spirit? Hanged Man in reverse. What do they want with that? They want a reunion. They know this is the epiphany this person has had. I need to get my Aries back because I'm happiest with them. I want a reunion because they are my 10 of cups. They are my 10 of cups. All right. So Aries, nice way to start your Valentine's. At least it's good to know that people know your worth, right? So let's take some messages from the heart and see if they could say something to you, what that would be. So, Aries person, you're all I desire. I don't want any other cups. I've chosen the cup. I mean, this is the clearest reading ever. I'm afraid of losing you. I'm afraid of losing you. I'm heartbroken over you. I'm sitting here in my sorrow and regret and not being able to sleep because I feel you may have other options now, and I'm afraid of losing you to them because now I realize that you're the only one I want. Last one. I see my future with you. Didn't I just say that, Aries? They see you as that perfect spouse who they want to spend the rest of their life with. They are already planning in their dream space, marriage and higher level of commitment with you. But now they're stressing out because either they broke your heart and now they are heartbroken and they don't know how to apologize back to you because they feel you've already left, gone. You're gone. So let's take some dialogue message cards from the feminine to the masculine. Let's see what both of you would like to say to each other if you could today. Feminine to the masculine spirit. Feminine to the masculine. One card. Okay. And let's take one from the masculine to the feminine. Okay. So the feminine says here, I'm considering moving on with a soulmate, but I really don't want to have to. Yes, Aries, a lot of you out there are saying, enough of the past, we might as well find a new soulmate, right? But then you didn't want to do that. It's only because of the way things went down with maybe this past person who broke your heart. Now you're saying, I'm considering moving on with a soulmate, but I really don't want to have to. Let's see what the masculine says to that. At first I thought it was only a sexual attraction, but it's so much more than that. I love you, mind, body, and soul. Yes, that epiphany has happened, Aries, and this is what they want to say to you. I'm sorry, and I'm sorry I broke your heart, and can we start over? Of course, it's totally up to you, Aries, but this was a short little mini reading. I do see this person wants to have a higher level of commitment with you now. They want to end all these troubled times with you, move on to calmer space with you. They want to be more open emotionally with you, but they're a little afraid that you are not going to accept them. You are holding back from them, Aries, and they know why, because maybe they were rash or immature in the past. But now this person, I think, is wanting to take some action and level up and become that king of wands and bring justice to this situation once again. So that's how they're feeling. You don't have to feel the same way, right? So this was just a fun little read, Aries. If you liked it, do let me know. Leave a comment or a thumbs up, and wish you all a very happy Valentine's once again. See you soon. Namaste.